You have been probably heard this 1,000 times. Be consistent on YouTube. But what if I told you that consistency alone isn't enough? Yes, it's good to be consistent in posting videos, you understand? But being consistent is not enough for you to grow your YouTube. You understand? For you to have enough views. Consistency is not enough, all right? Okay, what if it's not even the most important thing? What will you do? See, yes, YouTube need consistency, but it's not really the most important things now to look out for. Okay, so let's talk about the real reason you are not growing. Even though you are showing up every single week, some of us are showing up every single week and you are not growing. I want to tell you the reason and what you should do to fix that. Okay, if this is what you're looking for, just stick around, stick on, don't touch your dial. I will be right back. Guys, let's quickly dive in. All right, number one, the wrong way to be consistent. Let me show you the wrong way to be consistent. You may be consistently showing up on your channel, but you are doing it all wrong. I came here to tell you the wrong way in which you have been showing up. Okay, what you are doing wrong. Okay, let's be honest, a lot of us took consistency to mean posting weekly. Is it not what is running your mind? If you are hearing consistency on YouTube, what is running on your mind? Is it not posting weekly, some posting back to back? Yes, that is consistency. Okay, so a lot of us took consistency to mean post weekly no matter what, even when the idea wasn't good, even when you're not having a good content. Your own is for you to show up weekly. I must post today is my posting day. What am I going to post? One, you did not plan your content. You just carry your camera and do anything that you want to do. You see? So this is the wrong way you can be consistent. You may be consistent, but you are just wasting your time. Okay, so that is it. So guys, as I was saying, even when the video was rushed, you understand, no matter what, even when the idea wasn't good, even if the video was rushed, even when we had no plans, on your own is you don't have any plan to post, you don't have plans for your content, and you know that you are going to rush your video. You just want to be consistent. You can see this is the wrong way to be consistent. It is not good on your channel. All right, but here's the truth: consistency without clarity is just a noise. Hope you understand. Yes, it's as if you're speaking into the thin air. You understand? So that is what it does to you. And YouTube doesn't reward noise. You know, YouTube doesn't reward content that is not valuable, content that your audience is not watching, content that is not making sense to people, content that people are not getting anything. You understand? So number two, what the algorithm actually rewards. Now let's talk about what the algorithm rewards. Okay, YouTube system is smarter in this 2025. Have you realized that? You know, in this 2025, algorithm is big difference. Okay, it doesn't care how often you post. Yeah, it doesn't care how often you post. Consistency cannot give you views, but only consistency, if you being consistent, what it does is it make you to improve day by day. You understand? You make it to improve, know the particular area that you lack, that you work on. That is what consistency does on your channel. So in this 2025 algorithm, it cares about viewers experience. You understand? That viewers experience is their feedback on your channel. If they are come to watch your video, they're returning subscribers. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. I don't know if you're understanding what I mean. That is what this 2025 algorithm cares about. Are your subscribers coming back to watch your videos? Is your video valuable? Did they like it? Because when your viewers is not coming back to watch your video, that is when you begin to have low views. That means your content is not good. Okay, so now it cares about viewers experience too, and that means watch time, click-through rate, return viewers. You understand? This is the four things that he cares: watch time, click-through rate, return viewers. That is three things that algorithm required from you, from your content in this 2025. You understand? If you have this thing, they will keep on pushing your video out there for a lot of people to see it. Okay, so if your consistent videos doesn't deliver value, they will be ignored. Actually, you understand? That is why most of us, maybe some, maybe that they don't had maybe they have not gotten the visibility that they required. That is why they are having low views. In other words, some people are having low views because their content is being ignored by their subscribers. Okay, so different things. And even worse, they train the algorithm to see your channel as skippable. That is why, please, if you're watching my video, don't even try to skip anyone. Please, especially if you're a content creator and you're watching another content creator's channel or content, you know that if they skip your own, it will not be good. You understand? You will have bad signal with the where algorithm is. So don't skip another person's content. Okay? This is what we do for each other as a creator. You understand? So if you're in this 2025, if your content, if you're being consistent, doesn't bring value, you understand, they will simply be ignored. And when they ignored, your subscriber ignored it, that means you're even telling YouTube not to be throwing your video out there. You understand? Not to be skipping your video. That is why so many people, they'll be consistent, but when they post the videos, you will see 20 views, you will see 10 views. You understand? So please look into it. So number 3, quality consistency growth. Let's talk about quality consistency growth. The sweet spot isn't just more videos. It's not about consistency. It's not about more videos. Okay, it's more intentional videos. Okay, and yes, that might mean posting less while planning better. You see, quality videos, it may require you to post less, but you plan better. Because when you plan your video better, that is when you come out, your video will come out very well. It's not all about rushing to post a video. I need to post, I have 4 schedules this week, I need to post like 4 videos this week. You just be making anyhow content. 2 videos that you post in a week is better than you posting 4 videos in a week that is not even valuable. Okay, yes. So quality doesn't mean perfect. It means, see, let me tell you, quality doesn't mean perfect. Let me tell you what it means. First, quality means who you are talking to, your audience. Okay, what problem are you solving with your content? That is quality. Okay, and why someone should watch to the end. You understand? What content are you giving people? Why would they watch to the end? Is your content boring? Is your content valuable? You understand? When your content is valuable, that is when they will watch to the end. Okay, so number 4, consistency that actually works. Let me tell you the consistency that actually works in the 2025 algorithm now. Okay, here's what consistency should really look like. First, consistent strategy. Okay, second, consistent value. Third, consistent improvement. All right, okay, let me give you an example. Instead of saying I post every Monday, look at what you will say. I post one banger video every 10 days that actually solves something. You understand? It's as simple as that. So no, don't just rush your video anymore. Make sure that you have your time to plan out your content. Plan out the valuable content that you want to share with your audience. Because one, when you bring out that valuable content, that will make it, that will help you to retain your audience. They will come back and watch more. And they watch that particular video from the beginning to the end. All right. So you can see, if you have been posting for months with no growth, I get it too. You understand? I get you, quite sure. I have been there. But this is your turning point now. You understand? This is your turning point. This video will bring your turning point. Okay? So stop posting out of fears of being forgotten. This one that we are saying, let me post before YouTube will forget my channel. You understand? This is what they told you. Instead of you saying that and be posting anyhow something, plan your content and post quality content for your audience. You understand? Stop posting out of fear of being forgotten. Start posting because you have got something worth watching. You understand? Start posting video because you need to share what you know to your audience. You have something. If you're entertainment, you have something to share to your audience. Your audience they'll be glued to their phone, to their camera, to their laptop, to their television. You know, these days is television now. So majority of people watch from the television. Okay, so that is why you need to make quality content. All right. So consistency doesn't mean don't miss an upload. You understand? Rather, consistency means don't stop improving. That is consistency. Okay. So, and if you stay consistent with intention, you will grow. Please always be intentional why you stay consistent. Okay. Okay, let me know in the comments, what does consistency means to you now? Okay. And if this video that I make hits home, please hit that subscribe button because I am here to make you to grow in the right way. All right? Please, if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're my old subscribers, you're welcome. My returning subscribers, my love is for you. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my content. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're watching my content, you have not subscribed, please help me to hit that subscription button and write a comment. I need your comment on the comment section. You know, that comment is the engagement we all look for. All right? I will see you on my next one. Bye.